Nakapaglampaso naman na po kami pero ingat pa rin po sa gilid-gilid. Thank you po. Seconds. Putback is good by Sir Ferro. 2 points. Seconds. Sir Esposa. 2 で対Sir Asma. Seconds. 5 seconds. Super Sir Esposa. Seconds. 5 seconds. Easy 2 points, Sir Nicholas. Seconds. 5 seconds. Easy 2 points, Sir Ferro. Bison's ball. Is good. 2 points, Sir Nicola. Easy 2 points. Three points, Sir Abareta. Rebounded by Sir Francisco. Tough shot, 2 points, Sir Francisco. Chase five. Easy to goal, Sir Nicolas. Naman na po ang Green Vipers. Sir Nicolas na naman, 2 points. Top shot, 2 points, Sir Pero. And we're tied at 16. Seconds. Alley-oop is good, 2 points, Sir Francisco. Nice pass. Timeout. Black Bisons. 2 points, Sir Alban. Official score 16-20. Rebounded by San Francisco. Easy 2 points, Sir Fedor. One minute, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 3 points, Sir Moncada. Nice, 2 points, Sir Asma. 30 seconds. 10 seconds. Wala na po tayong shot clock. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. No shot clock. 5 seconds. 4 Patience is the key. Foul, jersey number 15, Sir Abereta. And that's his first personal foul and first team foul. Bonus shot for Sir Asma. Bonus shot is good. Foul. Foul, jersey number 15, Sir Asmar. That's his first personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Sir Francisco. Steal! Big Vipers na mamadali. Rebounded by Sir Nanalo. 2 points, Sir Esposa. Rebounded by Sir Henson. Rebounded by Sir Esposa. Floater is good by Sir Esposa. 2 points. Floater shot, good. 2 points, Sir Contreras. Steal. Lays it up. It's good. 2 points, Sir Congress. Top shot. 2 points, Sir Esposa. Official score is 32-27. Rebounded by Sir Grande. Tough shot, 2 points, Sir Grande. Nice defense. 10 seconds. Rebounded again by Sir Grande. 2 versus 3. Almost there. Rebounded by Sir Nanale. 2 versus 1. Tough shot, 2 points, Sir Esposa. Lumalayo na ang Black Bison. Two points, Sir Contreras. seconds. Steal. Rebounded by Sir Gudez. 4 versus 3. Rebounded by Sir Moncada. At pinakinahan tayo ng magandang pasa. 2 points, Sir Francisco. Rebounded by Sir Alban. 3 versus 3. Perimeter shot, 2 points. Timeout. Black Bison.
Idol!
Rebounded by Sir Moncada. Easy 2 points, Sir Coquez. Steal. Another alley-oop, 2 points, Sir Francisco. Nice pass, 2 points, Sir Henson. 2 points. Seconds. Floater score by Sir Nicolas. Nice pass, 2 points, Sir Henson. Versus 1, steal by Sir Coquez. Single. Easy 2 points, Sir Pero. Raise it up, 2 points, Sir Francisco. Steal. Nice pass, 2 points, Sir Alban. Tough shot, 2 points, Sir Esposa. Back-to-back 2 points by Sir Alban. 1 point lead for Black Bisons. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 4, Sir Moncada. And that's his first personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots for Sir Pero. 30 seconds. Nice reverse. 2 points, Sir Moncada. Wala na po tayo shot clock. Last shot po, last shot. 15 seconds. Last shot, 2 points, Sir Esposa.
7, 6,
5 seconds.
4, 3.
Sila wala doon. Hindi ko alam ulo. Ulang kalos pa maligset pa paano. Nice! Ulang!
Rebound by Sir Moncada. 10 seconds. Out of bounds, Bison's ball. Is good by Sir Asma. 2 points. Seconds. 2 points, Sir Grande. Rebounded by Sir Grande. Seconds. Rebounded by Sir Francisco. Foul. Who's forward? Foul jersey number 31, Sir Grande. And that's his first personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Sir Francisco. Five-point lead for Black Bison. Seconds. 5 seconds. Loving.
Sarili mo ba? Kita dito eh. Mahangal ka pa eh. Kami, yung mahangal ha, sabi ko sa akin, ako natatanggal. Mahangal, sabi ko sa akin, ako natatanggal.
Symbol, 12 seconds. 12 seconds.
Pangit na, bibingin ka na dyan. Dito ka.
Hindi, may pumasok sa tenga ko.
With the shot is good by Sir Payawa. Rebounded by Sir Moncada. Nice pass. Easy 2 points, Sir Esposa. Rebounded by Sir Asma. Steal. Steal. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 4, Sir. Foul jersey number 4, Sir Moncada, and that's his second personal foul and first foul. 2 shots for Sir Glander. Sir Esposa. Sir Conquest. The clock is good. Change foul. Official score 65-58. 7-point lead for Blue. Rebounded by Sir Asma. Foul. Foul jersey number 5, Sir Nicolas, and that's his first personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots for Sir Ferrol.
Ay, dapat walang jump shot. Ito yan eh. Wala dapat jump shot, pakita ko yan eh.
Sir Alba.
Alam mo ba may sipon?
Out of bounds.
Diba?
Black Bison.
Marami.
Dito lang sa gilid. Yung sa ano pala sa Dio pala yun. Sa Dio lang pala yung karo.
Yung alin?
Yung sa ano ng Caloocan.
Ah, Dio pa lang yun?
27 lang daw.
Ng teaching? Ah,
Ang kulit.
10 seconds.
wala pa yung ate.
Wala pa.
Okay lang yun, para di magastos agad.
Who's foul red?
Ano mo sa Pasko ibigay?
Foul, jersey number 5, Sir Nicholas. Second personal foul, third team foul. 14 seconds.
Friday chat kita nun. Yun ka
Foul. Who's foul? Foul, jersey number 5, Sir Alban, and that's his first personal foul and fourth team foul. 2 shots for Sir Henson.
Ayan, papabagdan.
Rebounded by Sir Henson. Easy 2 points, Sir Peron.
Ito ba, ilang percent? 85.
Alin ba din yung tama? Andito, nakarap?
Easy 2 points, Sir Asma. Kalatagan na ang kalamangan ng Black Bison.
Andiyan na yung ice.
Foul.
Club. Yan na si Club. Perer.
Foul, jersey number 24, Sir Henson, and that's his first personal foul and second team foul.
Ayun na, professor.
2 shots for Sir Francisco.
Professor mode Professor mode. Parang mag-aalok ng mga flyers Titinda ng balon. Gago balon. Huwag naman. Hindi busog-busa. Lakar. Habol na siya, mabilis. Habol daw
10 seconds. Rebounded by Sir Abareta. Rebounders nagmamadali. 5 versus 3. Steal. Rebound by Sir Abareta.
Wala, yun naman siya order.
10 seconds.
Kaya ako. Hindi ko kasi nakita kayo nung ano pinipili.
5 seconds.
Akala ko dessert.
Block. 2 points, Sir Henson. 45 seconds.
Sakto na, antok na ako.
Ang sarap.
Ate, ito mo na titikman natin.
2 points, Sir Francisco.
Titikman natin.
Maglalaro ko na daw
25 seconds. Shot clock is 10. Shot clock is 5. Wala na po shot clock. 10 seconds.
Lasang
5 seconds. Nice pass. 2 points. Sir Alban. Easy 2 points. Sir Asma. is first personal foul and first team foul. 14 seconds. Out of bounds, Vipers ball. Pagkakataon ng Vipers mga habol. Official score, 76-69.
Dead ball. Substitution, dead ball. Wala.
10 seconds.
Ah!
3 points, Sir Francisco.
Lupit mo kupal.
Nice defense by Green Vipers. 10 seconds. Rebounded by Sir Francisco. Steal.
Pero masarap triple shot. Ayun, parang may ano eh. Parang may...
Rebounded by Sir Asma. Good Vipers score. Support.
Time up.
10 seconds. Rebounded by Sir Francisco. Foul.
Time out, time out, time out.
Counted. Time out. Green Vipers. Second personal foul and first team foul. Official score 78-74. Tatlo na lang ang inahabol ng Green. Seconds. Foul. Who's foul rip? Jersey number 0, Sir Conquest. And that's his first personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots for Sir Grande. Block versus nagmamadali. 1 versus 1. Still yan kay Sir Conquest. Easy to boy, Sir Moncada. Time out. Brock Bison. 10 seconds. Wow. Who's foul rep? 25. Foul just number 25, Sir Alban. That's his second personal foul and third team foul. 2 shots for Sir Perot.
Ano ginagawa ni Mama sa bahay ko?
Rebounded by Sir Francisco. Kailanganin ng yung pakasa.
Ginagaya ko yung referee. 76.
Steal.
Mabilis namin tumalaban eh.
Rebounded by Sir Conquest. Foul. Who's fouling? Foul jersey number 28, Sir Gudes. That's his first personal foul and third team foul.
Oh my good. May
Substitution left.
meron pa nga dati. Walang gas eh, no gas. No, no gas. No gas.
Official score 78-77. 1 point lead for Black Bisons.
May katip na pinito Rapa no. Rapa. Yung kapatid na ng dating niya magaling dati. Oh, okay.
Rebounded by Sir Conquest.
Kami, nanay ng teacher niya.
5 seconds. Easy to goal, Sir Francisco.
Yan lang yung talo namin, green eh.
Lamang na ang green ng isa.
Skin tone. Ganyan ko na yan. Gusto ko skin tone talaga. Ano nga?
10 seconds.
May tanong.
5 seconds.
Dito may ganito na black dito. Kulay green. Yung paa niya, ganyan yung gusto ko ng skin tone.
Who's foul rep?
Wala pa siya.
Foul jersey number 15, Sir Abareta. And that's his second personal foul and fourth team foul. Warning for penalty.
Ganyan niya ba si Kuya? Ay, hindi pa. Ganyan mo sa paa.
14 seconds.
Ganda ng skin tone.
Rebounded by Sir Francisco.
Hira! Hira! Bang bang!
Super Sir Abareta.
Ganda ko las! Ganda ko las! Ganda Eugene! Bola nila!
Foul.
Penalty! Penalty! Penalty na!
Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 25, Sir Alban. And that's his third personal foul and penalty. A shot from Sir Esposa.
Penalty na!
Hindi na ako inaantok, nalalamig na. Inaantok pa din ako. Ganun ako po nagkakape, mas inaantok. Ano kasi papa? Bago matulog nagkakape.
Substitution rep.
Doon siya nakakatulog.
Yung gising-gising. Bang bang!
That is good. 2 points, Sir Conquest. Out of bounds, Vipers ball.
Kaya gusto lang sa inyo mamaya. Hindi pwede, tatlo tayo. Ano tayo? Sweet it ba? Kaya na. Lumubok pa naman ako.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Iwan ko na lang yung bola dito dahil may stick na mamaya.
Rebounded by Sir Francisco.
Dino!
10 seconds.
Dino! Libre! Kaliwa! Yan! Nice! Baba na! Baba na! Oy! Oy!
Kaya ko naman to.
Ano yan? Uwi ba yun natin?
Foul, Sir Francisco. First personal foul and
Pinapauwi mo
penalty.
na ako. Pinapauwi mo na.
Anong jersey na? Ha? Hindi, mag-totos kayo tayo mamaya. Sino magbabalik at nandun? Para fair tayo. Dapat ang commissioner mag-decide sa kayo na dapat. Hindi kayo na lang. Kaya nga, nagkakatos kayo na nga ako eh. Ayaw
Sir
nyo pa.
Carinho, dapat commissioner magde-decide. Hindi kayo na lang. Ang bilis
Diba?
na usap eh.
Hindi kayo na magpaligtad. Oh. Decided na ako.
Good block is good by Sir Ferrol. Isa lang ang hinahabol ng Black Bison.
Ano? Lalamig na ako.
10 seconds.
Captain na lang.
First shot is good by Sir Peron. Change fair turn na tayo. Lamang na ang Black Bison.
Alam mo ba, nag-hiking kami ni Philip. Bago pa lang.
Rebounded by Sir Asma.
Hiking kami. Tapos naglakad kami. Naglakad dito kasama ng
Isa
tatay.
lang ang lamang ng Black Bison.
Tapos hanggang sa nauna siya. Akala yung hinahabol.
Nice pass!
Ito po.
2 points, Sir Peron.
Nag-video ako ng... Mataba na siya nun. Oo, grabe po kada po niya nun.
Wow! Counted. Who's foul?
Tinawanan mo. Oo, kaya pag tumatakbo yun na ano ako, nakatakot ako kasi baka mamaya.
Substitution
Hindi
rep.
naman ano yung mukha niya. Tumatakbo ka siya.
Foul, Sir Nanale. First
Hindi mo
personal
na alam yung
foul
mukha
and
niya.
fourth
Hindi
team
naman.
foul.
Yung grab na.
Bonus shot for Sir Francisco. Black Bison nagmamadali. 3 versus 3. Steal.
Hits na lang.
Another rebound for Sir Asma. Foul, Sir Moncada. Third personal foul and penalty.
Pati short, kumit. Yung number sa certificate na. Kala ko pati short eh.
Defensive rebound for Sir Nanale. 5 seconds.
Dapat na lang yung brief na short.
2 points, Sir Peron.
Penalty, penalty. Penalty na ba? Penalty na, penalty.
First personal foul and penalty.
Penalty, penalty.
2 shots for Sir Conquest. Both teams penalty. Both teams penalty.
Babalik sa akin. Naman yan.
Ngayon na nga na naglaro, sir, no? Baliktad.
Offensive rebound by Sir Pareta.
Bakit? Ayaw naman yung twist, ah. Eh, di ba
Sir Peron nagmamadali. Inaabol na
Tama yung
tatlo.
bola.
2 points, Sir Peron.
Hindi naman. May kasalanan na yan, eh. Yung ma-identify. Ayun nga yung twist dun, eh. Twist dun. Hindi ma-identify sino na alam ko na, pre. Lalagyan
10 seconds.
Kalat, kalat!
Steal. Sir Francisco nagmamadali. 2 versus 1. Akin na yan. 2 points, Sir Francisco. 1 minute. One minute. Vipers ball.
Sabi niya kay Mama.
Uy, ang ganda pala niya kung nakabaliktad.
Inuutaw mo kasi sir. Bad trip na nga eh.
Substitution rep.
Uwi na talaga ako. Dapat sana ganun sa amin na kami. Kami, dapat ganun sana sa amin. Kami, dapat ganun sana sa amin.
Dapat susunod yung mga
Tama ka na para mga dahon.
wala mo naman po. Wala
10
akong
seconds.
yellow eh. Wala akong yellow eh. Bakit meron?
Tough shot. 2 points, Sir Francisco.
Habol!
Isa lang ang inahabol ng green.
Ay!
Foul. Blocking foul.
Sayang. 18 na. Ayun, wala sa...
Time out, Green Vipers. Tatlo lang yan. Isang tres lang yan.
Suotin nyo nun, di mo ganun
Gusto ko maging lalaki, no? Magbabasketball ka pag
Kami ni Kumiyan, wala na yan, palit dyan.
Bakit?
Tingnan lang namin.
Bakit pwede naman mag-volleyball? Eh, hindi naman ganun. Alam mo siguro, te. Paano ba? Lalo na si Papa na susugod sa ano. Ayun, hindi ko makalimutan yun nakakahiya. Umiyak. Wala na si Papa na susugod. Umiyak-uyak po ako. Alam mo
Foul,
ba?
jersey number 31, Sir Grande. Second personal foul, and
Hindi lang
penalty.
patay pa na itong warpag si Nico. Pero alam nila magkapatid tayo. Mambasto? Siguro.
Meron, tag-isa, sir.
Kilala niya si ate din eh. Baka kala niya si ate yung binigyan niya ng medal dati.
Ay, mag-block ka.
Yun yung nagbigay sa akin ng medal eh.
pumasok.
Block yung block.
Kaso
Pag
binigay
pumasok
sa
tayo
akin.
matang-block.
Pumasok naman dito, Green. Alerto kayo.
Alam mo ba yun? Alam mo pala yun? Yung hinabot.
Ay, ma'am.
Kasi pa.
Time out, Black Blaster.
Alam mo ba?
Isa lang ang hinahabol ng green.
Green, isa. Higpit ng laban na ganyan. Parang finals.
18 seconds. 18 seconds.
Huwag lang may magtetres dyan.
15 seconds. 10 seconds. Foul.
Kinakabahan.
Isa lang yan, isa lang.
Kinakabahan. Jam shot na yan.
Rebounded by San Francisco. Nagmamatay 5 seconds.
Ano ba?
Grabe yun, ang intense.
Grabe.
Pre, panin na!
Multo ng green. Multo ng green. Sabi yun ah.
Congratulations both teams.
Nanginig eh. Dapat hindi ito kay Congress ka ba na? Wala tayong magagawa.